Hi, beautiful people. Is your skin dry, flaky, or dull? Don't worry. I've got amazing Korean secret skincare tips that will leave your skin soft, glowing, and healthy. First, you'll need a body scrub. The ingredients are simple and available at home. Take 100 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and a small amount of body wash. Mix everything properly. Apply the scrub to your skin, wait for 25 minutes, and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Check your skin now. Amazing, isn't it? So the second secret is fermented rice toner. First, you'll need half a cup of rice. Rinse it thoroughly 2 times, then add a small amount of water and cook it until the rice is soft. Allow it to cool completely. Once cooled, blend the cooked rice with 4 to 5 tablespoons of rice water, the water left after rinsing the rice. Strain the mixture to get a smooth liquid, and your fermented rice toner is ready. Transfer it to a clean bottle and store it in the refrigerator for up to a week. Apply it to your face using a cotton pad or your hands after cleansing, and enjoy soft, glowing, and rejuvenated skin. For this secret, you'll need the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. Using a jelly brush, apply it evenly to all parts of your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on until it dries completely, then slowly peel it off after an adequate amount of time. This mask can also be used as an overnight treatment for even better results. Wake up to glass-like clean and poreless skin. Enjoy the transformation! The fourth secret is aloe vera gel. You'll need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil or olive oil. Mix them properly until you get a smooth consistency. Apply the mixture to your skin, massaging gently. This can be used as a night cream. For crystal clear, glowing skin, use it regularly for 30 days. You'll love the results. So, not only do we all dream of crystal clear skin, but achieving a slim and smart figure is just as important for a confident, healthy lifestyle. A glowing complexion paired with a well-toned body helps you feel your absolute best inside and out. Detox water helps you shed excess belly fat. Skincare secrets like aloe vera and fermented rice toner keep your skin radiant and youthful. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 1 cucumber, 0.1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves. Wash all the ingredients thoroughly. Slice the cucumber and lemon thinly. In a large jug or bottle, add the sliced cucumber, lemon, grated ginger, and mint leaves. Add a pinch of cinnamon powder if desired. Pour 1 liter of water into the jug and stir gently. Cover the jug and refrigerate the detox water for at least 4 to 6 hours, preferably overnight, to allow the flavors to infuse. Drink this detox water throughout the day, starting in the morning. For best results, consume it daily along with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Remember, beauty and fitness go hand in hand, so focus on a holistic approach to enhance your overall wellness. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with hit the bell icon.